What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to day 2 of the vinyl wrapping episodes. Today we are going to be messing around with this front over fender. So this is going to be quite a bit more difficult than what we did yesterday. Yesterday we just did that bumper extension part, which was small. There was some intricate edges and corners on it and whatnot. But this is going to be a lot more difficult. It's got this huge curve on it, so it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. I know I'm kind of doing this backwards, guys. A lot of people start off with something super easy, something super flat like a door, a roof, a fender, or not a fender, a hood. But I chose to start off with something kind of hard. So it's got a lot of lines in it, a lot of curves, a lot of 3D type edges, especially this one right up here. That's pretty hard to get. So this is the piece I'm going to be wrapping right now. It's the right side over fender. I already got it all prepped up. It's all sanded down smooth. Everything should be good to go there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut a piece of vinyl and see what we can do. Is that gonna be long enough? It's kind of sketchy because it's kind of rounded. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off anyway and see if that'll be long enough. Yeah, I'm not gonna chance it there. Not gonna chance that. So let's go ahead, trim out another piece. I'll save that obviously for something else. You always want to cut more than enough. You always want to, okay guys? I'm a professional wrapper. I've wrapped one piece. Just kidding. I am kidding. Okay, I'm going to attempt to do this on the table this time. Last time, I burnt the carpet in here. I was doing it on the floor, as you guys can see. I kind of fixed it a little bit, thanks to YouTube. But let's try not to do that again. This vinyl does have some weird imperfections in it already. Hopefully those will come out with some heat. So this is why we have extra vinyl on the sides, guys, so we can touch the edges without worrying about contaminating the vinyl. Make sure we have full coverage everywhere. This is kind of scary. I mean, it's just vinyl wrap, but trying to learn something new for me is always kind of nerve-wracking. I'm gonna lie. It'd be so much easier if we could keep these fenders on the car too, because then you could really pull and stretch everything. So I don't know if you guys just saw that. I think the camera died, but I cut the damn wrap too short. I was trimming some edges, but I couldn't get that. I had so much wrap in one area anyway. I think that was just straight from the start. Oh my gosh, so sick. But that kind of pissed me off, so let's retry this. I'm gonna take a little break. I'm kind of heated right now because I on that fender, but let's give it another shot in a minute. I'm actually just gonna call that a day there. Is the mic on? Yeah, it is. I'm actually gonna call that a day there. I feel like I need to do a little bit more research on how to get all these curved edges so good. So I'll pick this back up in a few days or whenever I feel like attempting to wrap again. I don't feel like ruining all my vinyl, so I'll pick this back up in a day or two. What is up, guys? Still the same day, but I went and did some research and I came across the premium auto styling video. If you guys have not seen that channel, definitely go check it out. They're very talented in wrapping cars. But what they actually do with the wide body parts, like what I was trying to do, who's that? With what I was trying to do with that over fender, they actually install the fender onto the car using like 2 or 3 bolts. Just hold it on there, because what you need to do, you're essentially stretching the vinyl when you're putting it on, so we don't end up with all that extra vinyl like I was having that issue with. So, and it's super cold outside right now, guys. It's like 10-15 degrees, so there's no way I can do it right now. It's gonna be a while before this wrap is completed, so I'm gonna keep messing around with little panels here and there. I'll keep you guys updated though. I'll keep you guys in the loop. Alrighty, my dudes, that's gonna wrap up this video. Really hope you enjoyed this one. I know I'm completely messed up on this, but whatever. Tomorrow, I think I'm gonna try something a little bigger. I'm probably gonna try a hood. So that's gonna be very exciting. I think hood's gonna be a lot easier because it's so flat. At least I'm pretty sure it's flat on the car. I haven't really looked at it in a while, so I'm pretty sure it's flat. And that's gonna make things a lot easier. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button down below. Thank you for tuning in, and I will catch you guys tomorrow.